Go.
A, R, B, happy birthday. And B.
But
Was it for my day?
Good. C.
D. Obey, okay. That's right.
Very good, Emma. D.
D. Dog. Up.
Very nice. And E.
E. O.
Even.
In a title of the D.
Very good. Even a child is known by his D. F.
F. Who the written of
Is
rescue.
death. Good job. And then we have G.
D. Obey
God.
God. Refuge.
That's right. God is our refuge and strength. Good. H.
H.
He makes me
Me
to lie down
lie down
in
in tackle.
very good. And I
I
will
will do it.
yes. J.
Oh,
Jesus
Jesus
Christ
Christ.
is the same yesterday,
Yesterday,
today,
today,
and forever.
forever.
Very good, Emma. That is such a good job you did with your verses. Now I want you to tell us something.
I got a new app.
You got a new ah-oo? Oh, do you like it? Now I want you to tell me, what's your name?
Go.
Can you say it again a little louder?
I'm a go. My pet needs someone to have me on.
Very good, Emma.
The wagon.
The wagon? What is your brother's name? Patrick,
Nicole
Nickel,
and Mama
and William.
and Mama
Uh-huh.
and Daddy,
That's right.
the aunties.
The aunties?
Some of them all.
Who is that?
Mimi, Papa,
Mimi and Papa. That's right.
and my horses,
Your horsies? That's right.
and my puppy people, and my dollhouse.
Your puppy people in your dollhouse? Very good, Emma.
And the camera.
And the camera. All right. I guess it's time to go now.
And I go now.
Uh-huh.
And I go now. And practice my piano.
And practice your piano? How about you play Angry Birds with Nickel?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'm